So if your audio is out of sync on your Roku, there's a few things that we can check to try to fix this issue. So if you're using a sound bar, I don't have a sound bar on this TV, but I do downstairs. Um, the sound bar adds a delay, right? Because it's going through your HDMI from your TV to the sound bar. Inherently, there's just going to be a little bit of a delay there, which is okay because most sound bars, I take this back. My sound bar, I have a Sonos sound bar, has an app that I can go in and kind of tweak the sound. Now, if you're having issues on your TV and you're using TV speakers, a lot of times, a simple restart will fix that issue. And to restart it, you would go to your settings, and then you're going to go to system here. And then in system, we're going to go to power and then system restart, and we'll restart the system. Okay. Not a factory reset, because a factory reset is going to erase all of our settings. So definitely don't want to do that. But just this right here usually fix all your issues. You can also unplug the Roku device and leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds to help bring or discharge any electrical buildup that could be causing issues. Check your HDMI cables, and then soft reset your TV by, again, unplugging it for 60 seconds and making sure that's working smoothly. But honestly, that's your main thing with a Roku device that we can check. Actually, no, there's one more. In system, you can go to audio, output format. You can see that it's defaulted to auto. Try stereo. This sometimes help with the delay. So this is something else that you can check. But those are the two big things. So I hope that helps. If it does, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.